How to enter restricted stock unit sales in Turbotax. Let's get started. First, gather your documents. Form 1099B. Your broker should provide this form, which reports the proceeds from the sale of your RSUs. W2 form. Check your W2 for the RSU income that's already included in your wages. Then collect information about the grant date, vesting date, and number of shares sold. Then navigate to the website of Turbotax, provide your credentials, and log into your account. Once logged in, click on Federal Taxes, Income Taxes, then Investment Income, select Stocks, Mutual Funds, Bonds, and Other. Click Add Investment. If your broker is partnered with Turbotax, you can import your 1099B directly. Follow the prompts to connect to your broker's account and import the RSU sales details. Or you can enter manually. Select I will type it myself. Enter the details from your form 1099B including description of the stock, date acquired, date sold, sale price, cost basis. Enter any fees or commissions. The income from the vested RSUs is typically included in your W2. Ensure the cost basis reflects this so you don't get taxed twice. If the cost basis on your 1099B does not match the fair market value at vesting, adjust it manually. TurboTax will ask if the cost basis needs adjustment. Answer yes and input the correct cost basis. TurboTax will calculate whether you have a capital gain or loss based on the difference between the sale price and the adjusted cost basis. Short term or long term capital gains depend on the time between the vesting date and the sale date. Double check the details to ensure accuracy. RSU income on W2 matches your cost basis adjustment. Proceed and sale dates match from 1099B. TurboTax will guide you through the rest of your return and include this information in the appropriate sections. By following these steps, you can accurately enter RSU sales in TurboTax for the 2025 tax season. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.